In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Cloudflare tunnel for your local n8n using the current Cloudflare dashboard interface, step by step. We're going to take a local n8n instance running on your computer and make it securely accessible over the internet without opening any inbound ports. You'll need a Cloudflare account and a domain managed in Cloudflare. Also, make sure you know which machine is running n8n. That's the machine where we'll install the connector. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account in your browser. In the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and find the Protect and Connect section. Click Zero Trust to open the Zero Trust dashboard. Once you're in, click Networks, then select Tunnels. This is where you'll create the secure pathway from Cloudflare to your local machine. Click Create a Tunnel. When prompted for the connector type, choose Cloudflared. Give your tunnel a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later, then click Save Tunnel. Cloudflare will now show you an installation command tailored to your account and tunnel. Copy that command. On the computer where n8n is running, open Terminal on Mac OS or Linux, or Command Prompt or PowerShell on Windows. Paste the command you copied and run it to install and connect Cloudflared. Depending on your system, you may be asked for administrative permission, and Cloudflare may open a browser window to authenticate the connector to your account. Follow the on-screen prompts until the connector shows as connected. Go back to the Cloudflare dashboard and click Next. Under Public Hostname, click Add a public hostname. Set the service type to HTTP because we're forwarding standard web traffic. In the URL field, enter localhost and set the port to 5678, which is the default port n8n uses. Choose a subdomain you want to use and select your domain from the list. Keep it simple and relevant so it's easy to remember. Click Save Host Name, then click Save Tunnel to finalize the configuration. Before testing, make sure n8n is actually running on your machine and reachable at http://localhost 678. If it's not running, start it the way you normally do. Now open the public URL Cloudflare generated in your browser. You should see your local n8n, accessible through the secure Cloudflare tunnel. If you run into errors, verify n8n is running, confirm the port is 5678, and check that the tunnel shows as healthy in the tunnels page. Cloudflare logs can also help diagnose connectivity issues. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.